Hey guys! So for today's video, another round of lip swatch, or actually lips and cheeks swatch, because I'm going to swatch itong Careline Water Serum Tint. So wala namang masyadong chika. It's just a lightweight formula, my vivid color on your lips, infused with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. You can use it on your lips, cheeks, and eyelids. So multi-purpose siya. So I have nothing on my face. Mamaya na tayo mag-glam. So pag binili mo yung serum tint, it comes in a box like this. Nothing too fancy. And then andito sa taas yung shade name. And then ito ang kanyang itsura, the mismong packaging. Nasa ilalim yung shade, your simple doe foot applicator. Now, I'm super curious, you guys, kasi I love yung previous release ng Careline, yung Stain With Me. Yun talaga, lahat ng shades na yun ginamit ko. May mga bag ako na pinaglalagay ko yon for, you know, emergency lip tint use. I love that. It's really long-lasting and long-wearing. Well, depende sa action na gagawin ko if I'm super makain or mainom on that day. Basta I love that. And I have a video. I'm gonna put it down below. So, for the water serum tint, wala siyang masyadong like promises or eme-eme. It's just a water-based, I believe, a water serum tint, water-based lip tint. So it comes in 5 shades. So, umpisahan natin. First shade, we have Sheesh. Shake natin. So this is Sheesh swatch at my hand. Trying natin sa cheeks. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Ito si Sheesh on my lips, tiny amount and puckered. By the way guys, natural lighting yung gamit ko over here. And then meron lang akong studio light over here. So, try natin si Sheesh in full pack color. So, this is Sheesh in full pack color. And honestly, si Sheesh ay burnt orange. Kahit sa lips, I don't know kung nakikita nyo sa camera. Para siyang red sa camera. Pero in person, makikita mo yung pagka-burnt orange niya. Burnt orange, brick orange, mga ganyan. So yeah, this is Sheesh. Next shade that we have is Vibe Check. So guys, this is Sheesh and this is Vibe Check. Honestly, ang laki ng pagkakamukha nila. Like, magkaiba sila. Definitely, in person, nakikita ko yung difference nila. Pero, they're really, really close. Ito si Sheesh. Kitang-kita mo yung pagka-orange niya. As in, like, orange yung parang dominant undertone niya. And as a blush then, you know, peachy, burnt orange type of blush. Pero etong si Vibe Check, it's also orangey, but more on the reddish side. Pag ginamit mo siya as a blush, it's more on the reddish. And pag ginamit mo siya on your lips, para pa rin siyang may orangey tint, but more on the reddish side. Si Sheesh kasi, like, orange. Ito si Vibe Check, reddish. Pero, like, they're really close. So, let's try it on cheeks. Very, very small amount, because a little goes a long way. So this is Vibe Check, like one swipe and puckered. Full pack natin. I'm so sorry kung hindi na masyadong pantay-pantay ah. And this is Vibe Check in full pack color. Alam mo yung hindi siya like Snow White red. Parang unang tingin parang siyang red. Pero makikita mo pa rin yung tint ng burnt orange or orange. I don't know kung napipick up ng camera yung ina-explain ko. But yeah, this is Vibe Check. Okay, so next shade is called Glow Up. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. Ang laki ng swatch niya. So this is Glow Up. Again, Sheesh, Vibe Check, Glow Up. And Glow Up is like, kung itong si Vibe Check, red orangey, si Glow Up ay red pinky. Base sa observation ko. So, this is Vibe Check on my cheeks and on my lips. Itong si Vibe Check on my lips is like one layer pa lang yan and then puckered. Now, i-intensify na natin like full pack color. Sorry kung di na pantay-pantay. So, this is Glow Up on my cheeks and on my lips in full pack color. And etong si Glow Up, eto talaga yung pag tinignan mo, red. Like red. Although sa swatch, para siyang pinkish red. I think it will depend on your skin tone and on the pigment of your lips. Kung lilitaw ba yung more on red or more pinky. Pero I hope you get an idea anong itsura niya. So yeah, this is Glow Up. Alright guys, so next one is in the shade Period. Period. So this is Period swatch on my hand. At ito ang difference niya sa iba pang mga shade. Medyo hawigan siya ni Glow Up. Pero etong si Period is like the pink. Like the pink. The most intense pink. So this is Period on my cheeks and on my lips. One layer puckered. Honestly, hawigan siya ni Glow Up. Pero in person you guys, makikita nyo na mas mapinky siya. Etong si Glow Up kasi is like yung classic red lip tint. Gaya na sabi ko kanina, parang may pinky undertone. Pero etong si Period, eto talaga ang pink. Like wala siyang any undertone, basta straight up pink. Intense pink. Pero natin full pack color. Ngayon, pag naka full pack siya, hawigan talaga siya ni Glow Up. Pag naka full pack. Pero pag yung ano lang, one layer lang and then puckered, makikita mo mas angat yung pagka. Sorry kami yung mga na-stain ako sa titas, di ko napapansin na. Okay na yan. Pagbigyan nyo na. Ano tawag dito? Ang sasabi ko, yeah. Pag one layer lang, makikita mo medyo angat pa yung pagka-pink niya. Pero pag full pack color mo, it's really hawig ni Glow Up. So yeah, this is Period. And we are down to the last but definitely not the least shade, and this is called Bougie. Alright guys, so this is Bougie. At ito naman ang difference niya sa iba pang mga shades. I don't know if you can tell, but right off the bat, this is like a magenta shade, like a reddish brown magenta. Feeling ko ang intense niya. So, this is Bougie on my cheeks and on my lips. Pero yung lips, one layer pa lang yan. I love it. I think this is my most favorite. Etong si Bougie. Yeah. Now, try natin in full pack color. Again, sorry kung hindi na pantay. Basta importante, nakikita nyo yung swatch. So, this is Bougie on my lips. And right off the bat, very deep red. Like, maroonish, magenta-ish, mga ganong vibe. And sa cheeks, wala akong masabi. It's rosy, but deep. Pero like, hindi naman siya yung parang nakakatakot. Ano mo yun? I love Bougie. So yeah, this is Bougie. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na, kunin niya si Bougie. Okay, so before I say my final thoughts, mag-ayos muna tayo. Right now, I am putting on yung Careline Oil Control Skin Tint. One of my most favorite skin tint. Really affordable and does the job of giving you fresh base. So this is the Blythe Perfect Trio eyebrow pencil. A little bit of nose contour. For the eyelids, I think I'm gonna go for Sheesh, because it's the closest thing to brown. A little goes a long way, you guys, and nice. Honestly, etong ginagawa ko ngayon reminds me of my previous video, yung Everbalena Pillow Pop. Pinagkaiba ni Pillow Pop dito kay Water Serum Tint. Si Pillow Pop kasi is parang lotion. Eto, parang liquid lip tint, like water. Kaya nga water serum tint. For my cheeks, okay, let's go for Period. Ganyan lang. And of course, for the lips, duh, Bougie. Spray tayo ng slide.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Fairness, ang ganda niya as ano, tawag dito, eyeshadow. Okay, final thoughts tayo guys. For the price range of $195, multi-purpose na siya, and it's like your everyday, anytime lip tint, I'd go for it. Kasi multi-purpose na siya, tapos you know, it's just $195. But Do you need to get all the shades? Definitely not. Kasi may mga shades na like really close. Halimbawa, itong dalawang to, Sheesh and Vibe Check. May difference naman siya. Yes, definitely. Sheesh is more on the orangey side. Vibe Check is red-orange. So, mamili ka na lang alin yung mas bet mo doon or mas bet sa skin tone mo. Like the burnt orange, like solid burnt orange, or yung mala red-orange. Ngayon, etong tatlo naman, I feel like si Bougie ang pinaka nag-iiba. Obviously, it's magenta, it's maroon, it's the deepest shade. So, go get Bougie. Yes. Pero dito kay Glow Up and kay Period, tsaka medyo mamili din alin sa dalawa. More on the pinky or red pinky. Or pinky red. Parang ganon. Kasi pag tinodo mo tong si pag finulpak mo on your lips, etong si Period, very, 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 very halito talaga siya ni Glow Up. Pero, when it comes sa blush naman, mas mapinky etong si Period compared dito kay Glow Up. So, mamili ka lang kung reddish pink or like pink. And then Bougie. Go get Bougie. No questions asked. Not comparing it to any shades. Honestly, guys, okay siya. For me, I do like the consistency. I do like the pigment and the blendability. Ngayon, longevity-wise, in my experience with the water serum tint, and actually na-try ko na. Ano bang ginamit ko last time? Ginamit ko si Vibe Check. Oo. It's going to be really long-lasting. Pero again, depende yon sa mga gagawin mo. Kung ikaw ay kakain ng masabaw, masebo, ma-oily, mga ganyan, mas mabilis siyang mawawali. Pero kung hindi mga ganon yung kakainin mo, or it's really going to be long-lasting. Personal picks ko, Shish or Vibe Check, I'm gonna go for Vibe Check. Glow Up or Period, I'm gonna go for Period. And then Bougie. Anyway, that's it for the swatch, you guys. I hope nakatulong ako sa pagpili nyo ng shade. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch my previous video. I'm gonna link video suggestions down below. And click the bell button para ma-notify ka kapag meron akong bagong upload. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!